Okay guys, so I'm doing a video today on my Apple iPhone, and this is, I believe, 14, whatever. And I dropped it and these two lines came out. So the phone works, I can do everything, nothing, it's not affecting the phone. And I did notice that, okay, I'm gonna do a screenshot. Okay. See, I don't see the lines in the screenshot, but I see them there. I don't know if you guys can see. What's wrong with my phone? So can you see that? Does anybody know what I have to do, how to fix it? I did an appointment with an Apple store so they can fix it because it has warranty. I don't know what else to do. It looks kind of like weird, right? Let me know if you guys can help me in any way, if this has happened before, and if you guys have fixed it. Oh, and I can back up my phone too. That's the only thing that has happened. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button and leave comments below if you guys know how to fix it.